Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious clam soup. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh clams, which are essential for that authentic taste. Also, prepare 1 cup of chopped onion and 2 celery stalks for a wonderful aromatic foundation. Don't forget 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 4 cups of milk to create a creamy base. Finally, 2 diced potatoes will add a satisfying heartiness to your soup. Now let's prepare our clams. First, scrub the clam shells under cold running water to remove any dirt. Then, soak them in cold water for about 20 minutes. This helps them expel any remaining sand. Next, steam the clams in 1 cup of water or white wine in a covered pot. Cook them for 5 to 10 minutes, just until they open. It's important to discard any clams that remain closed after steaming, as they are not safe to eat. With our clams ready, it's time to build the soup's flavorful base. In a large pot, melt 1/2 cup of butter over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped onion and 2 diced celery stalks, sautéing them until they are soft and translucent. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a roux, which will thicken our soup. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of milk, ensuring a smooth, creamy consistency without any lumps. Almost there. Now, add your diced potatoes and the flavorful clam broth, which you saved from steaming the clams, to the creamy base. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Finally, stir in the steamed clams and cook for just 2 minutes to heat them through. Season your delicious clam soup with salt and pepper to taste, then serve it hot, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh parsley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.